Okay, people, I just woke up and I can't believe it. Okay, people, I just woke up and I can't believe it. So I'm doing this video as a follow-up. I'm wondering if my AC is running or if it's just the fan. There is pretty cold air coming out of there. It's silent. And it's definitely running. And it is cold air. Wow! This is indeed the quietest AC ever. And the only thing I did... Oh, mother... No. What did I do? I opened and closed the window. What's up, internet? Here's the fix for the problem. The problem is caused. You can test it with your AC. If you hammer on that spot, if it's making that noise, then I know what it is. It is that box here, which contains all the electronics, and I think something in there is loose. Don't try to take it apart because that was a lot of effort. So just watch the rest of the video. So I found the reason for the noise. It comes out of the, I think, compute box. So the entire chip is in here, and you can hear the noise here. And if I press against this wall, it's gone. Here's my idea to fix that. I'm gonna use placeholders between the middle of the compartment for the electronics and the outer casing of the back of the AC. Test run is looking good. While we're at it, I recommend drilling a hole in the corner of the case on the lower part so that the water can escape. It's extremely quiet, so it works. If you can return the AC, get a new one. Return it, get a new one. I couldn't. Waiting time was 1.5 months, so it's good enough of a fix. If you have the option, I would probably return it and get a new one.